Once, an old farmer nearing the end of his life called his lazy sons to his bedside. The sons gathered, curious about what he would say. The farmer says, "My sons, there is a hidden treasure buried in our fields. You must find it after I am gone." The sons listen intently, their eyes lighting up with greed as they imagine the treasure. After their father's passing, the sons took shovels and began digging every inch of the fields. Days turned into weeks as they searched, but they found nothing. The elder son questions, "Are you sure there's treasure here?" While the younger one encourages, "Let's not give up, we've already come this far." Though disappointed, they left the field plowed. When the rains came, the soil produced an abundant harvest. The elder son then exclaims, "He was right. The treasure is the reward of our hard work," while the younger one adds, "We'll never forget this lesson." The sons finally understood their father's words.